Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a nosy but a goodie, welcome back. Today I'm just testing out this microphone I got on here. Yesterday when I recorded, for some reason the other microphone wasn't working, so I started already and totally forgot that I had this microphone that I'm supposed to be testing out, and hopefully it works. But I am making dinner, so come join me in my dinner making. If you like watching these videos, keep on watching. So I made meatloaf, mashed potatoes. The reason for this clip right now is because I did do the meatloaf and then remembered that I had the microphone that I needed to check out. And the meatloaf was just 1 pound of ground beef. I put like a tablespoon of like the garlic seasoning, a tablespoon of breadcrumbs, an egg, adobo, sofrito, what else? Worcestershire sauce, don't make fun of me. Worcestershire sauce, ketchup, and Dijon mustard. Mixed it all up, put it in little balls, divided into the 6, and voila, you got yourself some mini meatloaf. I'll put the ingredient for that below if you want to make it for yourself. So let's get the video going. Alright guys, I am testing out the microphone. I did some mini meatloaf. Totally forgot what I was gonna say. I'm about to make me some mashed potatoes, and we're gonna put some green beans in the air fryer. Yes. We're gonna eyeball it. That's what we're gonna do. Put that there. This is some garlic. Are you slipping and falling? That's it? You're done? Is it freezing outside? I'm sure it is. I am sure it is cold. I am sure it is cold. It's freezing. I'm kidding. That is so funny. Alright, so I got green beans from the garden, and we're gonna put them in the air fryer. Already been cleaned and washed and clean when we first got them. Spray them with some olive oil. Put some salt. I like garlic, so we're gonna use the same garlic. Hope this actually works. And now we're gonna put it in the air fryer. I like my little mini air fryer. It's so adorable. So I'm gonna put it for 360 for 215. So this air fryer, Walmart, $20 on Black Friday, and it's perfect for me and Lexton. So 360, 15 minutes. When it beeps, I'm gonna shake it up, spray it again, pop it again for another 15 minutes. I'm making fake mashed potatoes, but it's okay because we put some heavy whipping cream, some butter, some seasoning, and these meatloaf is actually done. I just have to put some sauce on it and it should be good to go. So let's continue. We'll squirt some ketchup and some honey mustard on top of my meatloaf. Just a little dash. That is all. Just a little squirt. And then put it back in. Bring it over here to show you what I'm doing. You can't see because it's green blacked off. Just a little squirt. Squirt some ketchup. Oh, this has a big squirting motion. It's okay. I don't mind the ketchup. And now I'm gonna just take a fork and just spread the love. Spread the love. Spread the love. And spread the love. Now leave it in there until the potatoes are done. I mean, yeah, the potatoes. The oven is on, but it's still warm. Oh wait, I forgot to spread the love on one. Spread the love. Spread the love. Forgot that one. I hope the microphone works. I'm gonna be mad if it don't. I don't know what's going on. And it's past the time for me to be able to return this camera. Let's do the mashed potatoes now. Now it's mashed potato time. Pretty sure you guys know how to make mashed potatoes. Just follow the directions on the back of the box if you want. I usually eyeball these things. And I want more butter. So lower the heat. Butter. I like the butter. Wish I had smell-o-vision so you can smell my green beans. I can smell the green beans. I'm gonna put a little bit more because I don't think that's enough for me. Like Bela. So put that up here. Put a little bit more. Heavy cream. Let's bring it back to creamy. I can't wait till I get my own freeze dryer so I can make the potatoes fresh from the garden instead of buying these instant mashed potatoes. I usually don't buy them. They're more for emergency, and this was more like a last minute thing, so I consider this an emergency. Salt, because Licken will put the amount of salt he wants on his food. And potatoes are done. Today was easy done for being a Sunday. Alright, it's time to check on the beans. Okay, not too shabby. Shake them up. They are turning deliciously green. Leave them for another 15 minutes. So, let me show you what they look like so far. Look at how pretty. And if you didn't know, the purple turns green when you cook them. Alright guys, here's our plate. This is Campbell's. This is mine. Yeah, listen, for at least I'm having a couple of green beans. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. I want to say, now that I turned on the camera and now the microphone is working because I see the green line. Oh, this is insane. But thank you for watching. God bless. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, no.